we have a fixed line, this is a line, and this is curve, and this is fixed point here. Let me name this as, this is F, this is line L. Now what is parabola? See, on this curve, every point on this curve, here, this point will be points. Let me name it as P1, this is P2, this is P3. See, distance between P1 B1 here. Distance between P1 B1 is same as P1 PF. Distance between P2 B2 will be same as P2 F2, and that's how, suppose this is P4, my P4. Distance between B4 and PB4 is same as F and PB4. So what is parabola? Parabola is set of all those points which are equidistant from this fixed line. This is fixed line and a fixed point. This is called as, and point on this curve, this is parabola. Point on this, every point will be equidistant from this line L and point F, fixed point F. That is, this B1 P1 is same as P1 F1. B2 P2 is same as P2 F2. B4 P4 is same as P4 F. So this is what parabola is. Set of all those points which are equidistant. This distance is same as this distance. Let me write here. B1 P1 is same as P1 F1. B2 P2 is same as P2 F2. P2 F. B4 P4 is same as P4 F. Sorry. So this is parabola. Now let us write again. What is parabola? Parabola is set of all those points here on this curve, set of all those points which are equidistant from this fixed point and a fixed line. All those points on this curve will be equidistant from fixed point and fixed line. This will be equal to this. So B1, B2, B3, B4, and this is P1, P2, P2, P3, and this is P4. So this fixed point, it will be called as focus of parabola. Focus of parabola. This line L, this is line L. Let me name it. This is called as directrix of parabola. Directrix of parabola. I hope you understood this much. Now we will go. What is? Let me again draw one parabola. See, this is fixed line, this is parabola, and this is fixed point, my fixed point. Now what is axis of parabola? A line perpendicular to, this is directrix, and this is my focus. What is axis of parabola? Line perpendicular to directrix and passing through focus is called axis of parabola. This is axis. No, this is axis of parabola. This one is axis of parabola. This is focus F, and this is directrix. Now what is vertex of parabola? Vertex is where this axis and parabola cut. The point of intersection between axis and parabola is called vertex. Vertex of parabola. This is directrix, this is focus, and this is axis of parabola, and this is vertex. Now there is one more concept, length of lattice rectum. A line perpendicular to, what is length of lattice rectum? Is line perpendicular to axis, a line perpendicular to axis and passing through focus is called as a length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum. Hope you understood this much. Now there are equations of parabola. See, standard equation of parabola. We will do standard equation of. Hope you understood this much. This is not looking nice, but what we can do. This is concept of parabola. Here I again repeated the same one, and this is the, here I explain what is directrix, what is vertex, focus, axis and length of lattice rectum. Now we will look at what is standard equation of parabola. Standard equation of parabola. Wait. Standard equation of parabola. See, there are basically 4 types of parabola. First one is this. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, and this first one is passing through center. This is passing through center. Now here will be my focus. Now what is equation? Point on x-axis. How we represent point on x-axis? What is y coordinate on x-axis? Let me again draw this. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is focus. What I was asking, what is the coordinate on x-axis? Y coordinate 0. Yes, then it is 0. This distance is a, so let's call it a comma 0. Now this is where will be directrix, the fixed line. This will be here. This is also minus a. This is negative side of x-axis, this is positive side of x-axis. Y-axis, y dash, x dash. Now equation of this line. What is equation of line parallel to y-axis? X is equal to minus a. This is equation of this line. Now equation of this parabola will be written as y square is equal to 4ax. See, this is the standard equation of parabola. When it is the axis of parabola is positive, in the positive direction of x-axis. This is positive direction of x-axis. Here, if here it is x, then the mouth of parabola will be open towards positive direction of x-axis. Now here it is positive, therefore it is on the positive side of x-axis. Now second equation of parabola. Second type of parabola. It is, again let's draw it. Second type of parabola. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. Now the mouth of parabola opens towards the negative. This is, let me draw this. The center parabola passes through origin. I am not able to draw it, but let me try. This is straight line. Get it understood. So okay, let me ask here, what is the vertex vertex here. Vertex will be this 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0. It is vertex. Yes, this parabola. Now here also vertex is 0 comma 0, vertex 0 comma 0. Here it is focus. What will be the coordinate of focus? Minus a comma 0. This distance is a, this is a. Then where will be fixed line? Here this distance is also a, and equation of this line will be x is equal to a. Length of lattice rectum. This is lattice rectum. This length is, what will be this length? Length of lattice rectum. This will be 2a. So where we were? Yes, this is length of lattice rectum, and it will be written as 2a. Length of lattice rectum L is equal to 2a. Now what we will do? Yes, what will be the equation of this parabola? Equation of this parabola, y square is equal to 4ax. See here, what was equation? Y square is equal to plus 4ax. Why? Because the parabola was open towards the positive side of x-axis. Here, where is the mouth of parabola? Its opening is toward negative side of x-axis. Therefore we will write it as y square is equal to minus 4ax. Now here in both the example, this and this, axis was along x-axis. What if parabola's axis is, how it will look like? It will look in, what if axis is y-axis? Then parabola would be something like this. Oh, perfect. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is x, this is y. Here what is suppose this is my focus. Focus is, what is coordinate of focus? X-axis. What is x-axis on? X coordinates on y-axis 0, 0 comma a. This is a. Here what will be the fixed line? Fixed line will be parallel to x-axis, and equation of this axis will be y is equal to a or minus a. Any guesses? It will be minus a, because here what is the coordinate of y? Minus a. Therefore this is y is equal to minus a. This is, what will be the equation of this parabola? This parabola is equal to 4ay. Here it is x square. The opening is towards positive side of x-axis. Therefore here it is, we have written plus 4ay. And if it is this is third equation. Okay, fourth equation. What is fourth equation? Let me write fourth type of parabola. Fourth, this is y-axis, this is again x-axis, and this is this. Yeah, perfect. Y-axis are perfect. Here what will be the coordinate of focus? 0 comma minus a. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is x dash, y dash, and y. Now the fixed point is this, and what will be the equation? Y is equal to a. Here y is equal to a. This equation is this, and equation of this parabola will be x square is equal to minus 4ay. See, if here it is y, then axis of parabola will be y. this is axis of parabola. Axis of parabola will be y, and here we will write it as x square. Let's hope first we go through all the four equation of parabola. Standard equation of parabola. What is opening here? Opening is toward positive side of x-axis. Therefore, equation of parabola is plus. There is plus first. Then axis is x. Axis of parabola is along x-axis. Therefore, we will write here as x. If we have written x here, then here it will be y square. This is first equation. Now let's go to second. What is the opening? Opening here is negative side of x-axis, negative side of x-axis. Therefore, we have written here minus. Axis of parabola is along x-axis. Therefore, we have written x here. If it is x here, we will write y square here. Third type of parabola. What is axis of parabola? Axis of parabola is along y-axis. Therefore, we will write here as y. And what is opening of parabola? Opening of parabola is positive side. Therefore, we have written here 5. What is focus? Focus is a here, and here we have write y, so we will write here as x square. This is equation of directrix. Yes. Now this is understood. Hope you guys understand this. Let's solve few questions, and then we will understand what we are doing. See, here read the question. This is not question. Here question is we are doing exercise 11.2. What we have to find in each of the following exercises 1 to 6. Find the coordinates of focus, axis of parabola, equation of directrix, and length of lattice section. We have to find 4 things. Okay, let's do first question. Y square is equal to 12x. Here again, y square is equal to 12x. We have given question number 1. Y square is equal to 12x. Now what we have to find? First focus. Second, axis of parabola. What is axis of parabola? Third, equation of directrix. And fourth is length of lattice sectum, which is L. See, what we will do first here is we will write this 12x in the form of, we will always write in the form of 4 into something into x or y, whatever the equation is given. So 4 into what we will write? Suppose we will multiply and divide by 12. Multiply and divide by 4. This is easier to understand. What we will do? 4 into 12 upon 4x. 4 3 are, oh no, yes, 3. What we can write here is 4 into 3 into x. This is y square. Now isn't it in the form of y square? Y square is equal to 4ax. 4ax. This is equation of parabola. Equation 2, equation 1. Now compare equation 1 with 2. What will be a? A is equal to 3. See, a is equal to 3. Therefore, focus will be what will be focus? 0, 3 or 3, 0. See, what is equation of parabola? Equation is given as y square is equal to 12. First of all, y square, here it is y square. Therefore, axis will be, axis of parabola will be along x-axis. Therefore, axis, here it is x-axis. On x-axis, what is focus? A, 0. Here it is positive, therefore opening will be positive side of x-axis. So what will be focus? Focus will be A, 0. A, 0. What is A? 3, 0. axis of parabola it is along x-axis. What is next? Equation of directrix. Equation of directrix is given by x is equal to L is equal to 2a. L is equal to 2a, 2 into a. Oh, sorry, not this is length of lattice sectum is 2a. What is a? 2 into 3. It is length of lattice sectum is 6. What is equation of directrix? See, this is parabola. What will be the diagram of this parabola? Diagram of this parabola, this is opening is positive side of x-axis, therefore this is positive side of x-axis. What is a here? A, this is a 3 comma 0. Therefore where will be directrix? Here. It will be, what will be this point? Minus 3 comma 0. And equation of this line parallel to axis. Equation of line parallel to axis is given by x is equal to minus 3. This is equation of directrix. So hope you guys understood this parabola sum. You can do, we will continue it later.